Rise of the Resistance is one of the greatest theme park rides ever created. Today we're going to take a lap on this ride together to see what makes it so incredible. Before we get started, please like this video, please leave a comment down below, and of course please subscribe to this YouTube channel. The push for 10,000 subscribers is on, and I'm very excited. I'd love to make that happen at some point in the future. Thank you so much, everyone. We are going to use a POV shot by LMG Vids, so I'm going to link it right here if you'd like to watch the POV without me yapping over it. For this video, we're just going to jump straight to the ride vehicle, but to be honest, there's so much more to the ride experience on this dark ride. Like, there's literally 3 pre-shows, which is absolutely incomprehensible. That's absolutely ridiculous. But we're just going to fast forward to when the Resistance breaks us out, because that is when you're physically seated in your ride vehicle. When you're dispatched, you're going to have that little safety video playing on your left-hand side. I love that the ride vehicles that replace you are used as props. It's a little hard to tell, but they have red eyes, and our ride vehicle has orange eyes because it was reprogrammed by the Resistance compared to those ride vehicles, which are still being run by the First Order. This set design in this hallway is really cute. The Pro droid is incredible. That's like a really cool visual. It's insane that I don't even know how it's floating there, to be honest. It looks insane. And then this is where we get caught. I'm not really a fan of the screen stormtroopers, but it's kind of a nitpick. The lighting with the laser blast is insane. That actually looks like it floats. Plus the music kicks in and it's just so high energy. The stakes are real. And then this reveal is absolutely jaw-dropping. I remember the first time that I rode Rise of the Resistance, I got so hyped here because it was like the excitement is happening because we got caught, we're being chased, and you have that breathtaking visual of the AT-ATs or AT-ATs. And those are some more screen stormtroopers. When I made a video complaining about every single ride at Disneyland, it was difficult to complain about this ride, and some people brought up that Finn animatronic on the left-hand side because he is pretty bad and like it's hard to see. Facing the AT-AT is very intimidating. When this POV was shot, those guns did not come down like they were supposed to, so that's kind of a shame. But that's a really cool effect where it blasts the walls. It looks like it actually shot them. And then here you can see the other ride vehicle. That's a really cool moment to like wave and say hi. These animatronics are very interesting. This is a really cool idea. I love that we can see so much of the Star Destroyer. The bridge is really cool. The Kylo Ren animatronic is absolutely breathtaking. The Hux animatronic less so. He like barely turns around because he's pretty poor quality, just like the Finn animatronic. This is really cool. It's a blend of screen and practical effects because that lightsaber is real. I think those lights turn on to try to like disguise the fact that Kylo Ren is a screen. This is one of those moments that Disney pushed really hard in the advertising of this attraction. Like Kylo Ren breaking into an elevator, that's really cool. That's pretty intimidating. But all the promotional material looked way cooler than the actual effect. So for that reason, it is a little overwhelming. These cannons were broken for the longest time, and then they recently fixed them, which was when this POV was shot. But as of my last ride, they were broken again, which is pretty disappointing. But having those practical effects is really cool either way, in tandem with the screen and the space battle happening outside the Star Destroyer. And then boom, you're gonna come in contact with Kylo Ren again. This is probably the most impressive animatronic on the ride. He's using the Force to pull your ride vehicle, and he's like threatening you, and then something happens, he gets flown outside, which is really cool. At this point, the wind is blowing really strong in the hallway, and these alarms are going off in here. This is absolutely insane. So a trackless dark ride on its own is very innovative and very impressive. The fact that this ride took you up an elevator is insane, and now it's going to put you in a drop tower. And this drop is actually really fun. It feels identical to the drops on Guardians of the Galaxy or Tower of Terror, but obviously it's a lot smaller. And then you also have the simulator, like it's rocking you side to side as you fall back down to Batuu. So that's just incredible. It's so impressive. The simulator is actually pretty forceful as well. And the story is gonna wrap up right here. So there's just so much that happens in such a short amount of time. It was kind of hard to keep up with this ride. I like how we're going down this hallway backwards because it's trying to disguise the fact that you're going down the same hallway that you did upstairs, but that was inside the Star Destroyer, and this is supposed to be miles away back on ground level. So that is pretty cute. This Beck animatronic is interesting. If it has you wait for a long amount of time, it can be a little awkward because it's like, where is Beck? And he's literally like right there. So that's a little strange. But once the unload area opens up and you move right by him, he says his little spiel. He's like, thank you for your service, even though we did nothing. We got caught and it was a tremendous waste of resources, but you know, it was fun, right? That was a fun Star Wars ride. It is absolutely one of the greatest rides I've ever done. I am a huge fanboy of Rise of the Resistance. So what do you think of this ride? Is there anything that I missed or that I should have pointed out? Please let me know down in the comments below. Please like this video, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and of course, head over to LMG Vids and subscribe to him as well. Thank you so much, everybody, and I will catch you later.